Hey there, folks. All right, so a little bit of a mail call contest winner from Christmas giveaways 2023. So the first two things we have here was from Sparky107107. As you know, every year he does a Christmas Day giveaway. We all get together, and I think it's pretty cool what Sparky does for the community on Christmas. You know, unfortunately, a lot of folks may not have family anymore, or Christmas stuff. So he does a get together, and he does this awesome giveaway. So this first one here, I won from Joe Rader. So that's another thing too. So it's not only Sparky that gives away prizes. Different people come up, myself included. I gave away a kit this year, and that kit, I gave away this Blair Line kit, and then I'm also including a little extra special thing there, and I'll be sending that out. But so yeah, so it's got this from Joe Rader in the Black Rock Central, and this is cool of him to give one of these, give this away on the stream. Now this is kind of an exclusive thing that you can only get. This particular item is if you visit the Black Rock Central in person, but he decided to give one of them away, and what it is a boxcar with his logo on it. So again, thanks, Joe. That's really cool that you offered to give that away on the stream, and I'm happy I won it. All right, so for the second one, this was also one on Sparky's stream. TSG Multimedia, if you don't know about them, they do a lot of cool things. They have a podcast, and yeah, so this is from them. So I won this also, like I said, on Sparky's stream. And he was giving away some exclusive DVDs that they sell. And let's see here. Oh, cool. All right. So you had a choice if you wanted Steam or like passenger stuff. And I chose, or you could pick both, and that's what I did. So awesome. We got a couple decals here from TSG Multimedia. And looks like he threw in an extra too. Hey, that's cool. So yeah, won a couple DVDs. Yeah, it was either passenger or Steam you had to pick, or you could say both. And that's cool. They have these DVDs available on their website for sale, so I will leave a link down in the description. And yep, thanks TSG. That's awesome, bud. All right.